Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, we got another kid's basket done today. I am going to walk you through this one. The last one was Peppa Pig. This one is Spider-Man. Alright, so as you can see, Spider-Man came together very well. I actually only have a couple of off-brand items in this basket. So I think it's safe to call this a Spider-Man basket. So with this one, we have our Spider-Man book bag. I put a box inside of that so it would stand up. Alright, I also put the Battleship game that came from Dollar Tree in here, as well as the Avengers activity pack that includes a collectible character. And that's up here at the top. Alright, then we also have the Spider-Man acrylic paint set and everything that the children will need to utilize this set is included. Alright, I have the bubble set that came from Dollar Tree. Alright, these are the pencil packs that came from Dollar Tree. And then I also included this color changing tumbler in blue that has the snack pockets with it. And these I got at Walmart. Alright, so I'm going to put a decal on the front of this bucket. Let's turn it toward the light. I'm going to put a decal on the front, something like that. And I'm going to put some crowns in here as well. Okay, so I have put the crowns in here as well. And we got some bubbles for our bubble blower thing. Now those are Paw Patrol bubbles. And I'm switched those out to see if I can find if I have some with the blue caps. Because I do believe I do. Hang on, let me look. Alright, so no I don't. But for now we'll use this one. I will switch it out. I'm not going to seal this up until I see if I can find a different pack of bubbles. Once I pull the other toys down, I will probably find bubbles in there because I had the big bubble sticks. So I may put a big red bubble stick in here that actually has the solution in it. Alright, so this is what our Spider-Man is looking like. I think it turned out really cute. And that kids will love this basket. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Alright guys, so Spider-Man is done. Remember I was saying I needed to see if I could find a filler for it. Well, I forgot about the pillow. So our pillow is in there. Alright. And this is what our Spider-Man basket is looking like. So it's looking good. So now I can go ahead and wrap up the Spider-Man basket. And you all tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share the videos out and invite your friends to join so we can hit that 1K, y'all. And once we hit the 1K, we will definitely be doing that 1K giveaway. Thanks for watching. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.